There is more of them.
That's 6.
I wish the other 2 would come back, or the other 3. I've never seen red lights in the sky like that. Look at them, Adrian. Look at them. Look at that one.
Look at him.
Look at it. Look.
Stop.
Look how it's moving.
That's UFOs. Coming to take you away. Good Brandy. The S6 is a great camera. Not a perfect V.
Now it's in a line.
Don't mind us, we're just...
UFO.
Yeah. Look, it just disappeared. There, it came back. Oh, must have been a power line in the way.
They all keep disappearing at like the same spot.
Yeah.
They're like in a triangle.
Now they're all gone again, except for that one.